Yes.
So, good evening, all of you. As per our daily routine, we start our session with a session song. So, I will share the screen. I share the screen. You enjoy the song. Okay.
Yes.
Wait, huh? हाँ, नेटवर्क अनस्टेबल है, वो वजह से ऐसे हो रहा है बफरिंग। Okay, yesterday we already saw this song, right? This song is related which topic? Vaidehi? The song is related to which topic? अनम्यूट कर दो वैसे ही। गणेश, कौन से टॉपिक पे था सॉन्ग? गणेश अनम्यूट कर दो, म्यूट किया है, अनम्यूट कर दो. सांग आता कुठल्या टॉपिक वर, विच टॉपिक, द सॉन्ग इज रिलेटेड ऑन विच टॉपिक, द सॉन्ग इज अबाउट विच टॉपिक. Yes, Sakshi.
Air.
Huh? Say loudly. Say loudly.
Air.
Air. Yes. Yes. The song is related, or song is about the topic that is air pollution. How we can control the air pollution. How we can stop the air pollution. If we all decided to stop the air pollution, we can do it. But first we will decide to work on this a big problem. Air pollution is a big problem because we need oxygen for breathing. We need air for a breathing, है ना? For a breathing, we need air. And if we consume a polluted air, it is very harmful to our body. So it is necessary to stop or to control the air pollution. Okay. Yesterday we saw some topic on the on the on the lesson of our need for air. What we saw, air is around us, all around us. Air is all around us, right? We can feel air. We can feel air, but we can't see it. Am I right? Are you able to see the air? Are you able to see the air? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Are you able to see?
No.
No, we are not. We are unable to see air. We can't see air, but we can feel it. Are you able to feel the air?
Yes.
Yes. We are able to feel the air, but we can't see the air. Air has no color, no smell, and no taste, like water. है ना?
Yes.
Air has no color, no smell, and no taste. These are characteristics of air. Then we saw three new terms. First, we saw inhalation. Inhalation means
सांस लेना.
yes, we inhale the air. Inhalation means we inhale the air through the nose, right? We
Yes.
inhale the air through the nose. Exhalation. Exhalation.
छोड़ना. सांस छोड़ना.
Yes, we breathe out the air through the nose. We exhale the air. We breathe out the air through the nose. This is called exhalation. And respiration means am I audible? Am I audible? Yes or no? आवाज सुनाई दे रहा है? Am I audible? Okay. Then tell me the term respiration. Say something about respiration. Respiration. Respiration means we exhale and inhale the air. When we exhale and inhale the air together, that is called breathing. And when we breathe continuously, that process is called a respiration. Continuously breathing, सांस लेना, continuously सांस लेना, वो प्रोसेस को कहते हैं respiration. Continuously breathing, we breathe continuously and that term is called a respiration. Exhale and inhale, when you do exhalation and inhalation process together, that is called breathing. And when you breathe continuously, that is called, this process is called a respiration. Understood? Any difficulty?
No.
Any difficulty regarding these three terms? Any doubts?
No, miss.
Any doubts regarding these three terms? No? Clear the concept inhalation, exhalation and respiration? Understood this concept? Ganesh, yes or no? Give me the answer. Are you able to know? Are you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Then we move forward. We move forward. See. We complete these three terms, right? Then next.
टीचर को निकलना है.
No. Why do we breathe? We need our body to function properly. We need air for that purpose. When we breathe in, we take air into the body and air makes feel fresh, lively. Air is necessary for our body to get the vigorous we need to work properly. Why we breathe? We need air for a proper functioning of the body. Okay, we need air for the proper functioning of our body. When we take air, when we breathe, we take air into the body. जब हम सांस लेते हैं, when we breathe, we take air into the body and we feel fresh. Okay.
Yes.
When we
Yes, miss.
inhale
Yes.
and exhale, that time we inhale the air, we inhale the air into the body, we take air into the body, that time we feel fresh. So air is necessary for the proper functioning of the body. When we get a necessary air into our body, that time our body work properly, our body functioning properly. Okay, again I will explain why we breathe. We need a air for a proper functioning of a body. When we take air into the body, that time we feel fresh. We take air into the body, that time we feel fresh. Okay, and whatever air we need for a body, when you take that amount of air in our body, that time our body functioning goes smoothly, goes properly. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Like
Yes.
all other living things also need air. We also need air, means human also need air, bird also need air, animals also need air, and plants too. Okay? Animal,
Yes.
bird, plant, human, these all living things are need air. If we look carefully, we can see a dog chest also going up and down. It tells that animal also breathing. If we saw any animal, if you saw a dog, you saw the dog chest. The chest is continuously up and down, up and down, up and down. है ना? If you saw a cat, the chest of a cat is also going up and down, up and down. That means the animal also breathe. Animal also breathe. Okay? Next. Do you know fish live in a water? It make one wonder how they get air to the breathe, but fish are able to use the air that is dissolving in water. We all are know, without water fish can't live, है ना? Without water fish can't live. But in the water, how can fish take a air in the water? How can fish take a air in the water? How can fish take the air which is dissolving in a water? Fish can take this air. Fish can take this air from the water which is dissolving the water. Okay? फिश जो है वो पानी में डिजॉल्व हुआ रहता है, वो एयर जो है वो लेते हैं. Air is everywhere. You all are know air is everywhere. So air is also in the water. Air पानी में भी रहेगा, right? Am I right?
Yes.
तो पानी के अंदर का जो एयर रहता है वो एयर फिश जो है वो लेते हैं. ओके? ओके, एक काम करो. आमच्याकडे ना काचेचा ग्लास आहे, तो ग्लास घेऊन ये. Some people keep fish in the glass fish tank. It is called aquarium. Fish tank. All are know the fish tank. देखा है ना?
Yes.
It is always full of water. The fish tank is always full of water. The fish in aquarium use this air dissolved in the water for a breathing. As a result, the amount of air dissolved in the water can get reduced. If all the air was used up, the fish would die. Therefore, more air is continuously added to the water in the aquarium. That is why we see air bubbles rising up through the water in a such fish tank. पानी भरते चलो. अभी अगर हमारे पास फिश टैंक रहता है, राइट? लेकिन उसमें कुछ एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट भी रहता है. वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज देयर इन द फिश टैंक. Continuously bubbles come up from this instrument.
Yes.
देखते हैं, आप लोगों ने देखा है ना फिश टैंक में अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट रहता है जिसमें से always bubbles come up. Why? Because that water want a continuously air. वो वाटर में कंटिन्यूस एयर होना जरूरी है. Why? Because the fish can take the air from this water, the air become reduced. जब अगर हम वो बबल्स वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं छोड़ेंगे वो पानी में, तो क्या होता है, फिश जो है वो पानी के अंदर का सब एयर जो है वो ले लेते हैं ब्रीदिंग के इससे. तो उनको बाद में जो एयर लेवल है वो पानी की वो कम हो जाती है, और अगर एयर लेवल कम हो गई तो क्या होता है, ऑक्सीजन उनको नहीं मिल पाता, एयर उनको नहीं मिल पाती, और वो वजह से फिश मर सकते हैं। इसलिए हम वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट डालते हैं फिश टैंक में. वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट we put up into the fish tank, and this instrument can provide the air. Okay?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
अभी देखो, हाँ, अभी मैं एक एक्सपेरिमेंट आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ. क्या वही सब पान पर खा. आपको एक ग्लास दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes. 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 Yes.
देखो, हाँ, हाँ, अभी देखो, अभी आपको ठीक से दिखाई देगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
अक्खा देखो. ठीक है? This is a water. I'm taking this glass. This is full of water. Half amount of water is I'm taking. Okay? And now I will take this paper. एक पेपर लिया है मैंने. अभी मैं क्या करूंगी, आप स्ट्रॉ भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन अभी मैं स्ट्रॉ नहीं ले रही हूँ. ये पेपर जो है इसको स्ट्रॉ के जैसे बना रही हूँ. बाजू, हम पानी कर रही बाजू है. Okay? This look like as a straw? Yes? Let's Sakshi. Okay. Now I put one in the water and क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes. Yes.
क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? हाँ?
स्ट्रॉ और पानी.
और
पानी. पानी.
स्ट्रॉ और पानी दिखाई दे रहा है, लेकिन पानी में से क्या आ रहा है? क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
Bubbles. Bubbles.
Are you see the bubbles?
Yes.
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ?
मैं फुट मार रहे थे.
Yes.
फुट मार रहे थे.
Yes, yes, yes. साक्षी आ गई, साक्षी को दिखाती हूँ अभी.
Okay.
साक्षी, साक्षी, मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? What I am doing? साक्षी क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
Miss bubbles.
क्यों दिखाई दे रहे हैं बबल? कौन बताएगा?
Miss air. हवा की वजह से.
कहाँ से मिल रही है? हवा कहाँ से आ रही है लेकिन?
मिस आप पाइप में दे रहे हो उसी से.
हाँ?
मिस आप पाइप से निकल रहा है वो.
Yes. Very good.
Very good.
समझ में आया आप लोगों को मैंने क्या किया?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
क्या किया मैंने? क्या लिया? पहले तो मैंने कौन कौन सी चीजें ली?
Miss water.
Yes.
Water and paper.
Water and paper. One glass of half glass of water. I'm taking the half glass of water and one paper. Then we roll it. है ना? And
Yes.
eat that paper and make a straw. Right? And one end of the straw and put it into the water. And other end we blow it with my mouth. I'm blowing like this, right?
Yes.
Blowing. So that time bubbles come up. Bubbles आ रहे थे, है ना? Bubble rise.
Yes.
Bubble comes up. Yes.
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 Why?
Yes.
Sakshi. No, Abdul, don't do this. Abdul. When I blew the air, मैं जब air छोड़ रही थी, that time the air rose up and it formed the bubble. मैं जब air छोड़ रही थी, वो air पानी में गई और वो bubbles के form से वो ऊपर आने लगी, है ना? So this bubble, जो bubble थे, वो किस चीज के bubble थे? Air के bubble थे, right? So हमने we complete this lesson. हमने क्या देखा ये lesson में? There is air everywhere. The air is everywhere. We cannot see it with our eyes. We unable to see air with our eyes. It does not have color, smell, and taste. It does not have color, smell, and taste. And all the living things means birds, animals, plants, and humans. Human means we all are need air for a respiration. Every day we must spend some time playing in open playground to get fresh air. लेकिन ये अभी हमें नहीं करना है. जब ये कोरोना की सिचुएशन कंट्रोल में आ जाएगी, that time आप भी सब लोग खुद थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के प्लेग्राउंड पे जाके अगर खेलेंगे तो हमें फ्रेश एयर जो है वो मिलेगी. So here we complete our lesson, 11th lesson, that is our need for air. Okay?
Yes. Okay,
Miss. I sent the question answer in our WhatsApp group. Okay? I sent the question answer in our WhatsApp group. You will write this question answer and by heart the term inhalation, exhalation and respiration. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. और जो एक्सपीरियंस हमने देखा है बबल्स वाला, वो करके उसका जरा वीडियो भेज देना मुझे. कर सकते हैं आप लोग बबल्स वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट घर पे?
Yes, miss.
करेंगे?
Yes, miss.
करेंगे?
Yes, miss.
So you can do this experiment in your home and
Yes.
send me your video. आपका वीडियो जो है वो मुझे चाहिए एक्सपेरिमेंट वाला. एक कांच का ग्लास लीजिए. ओके, विच ग्लास you have to take?
मिस कांच का नहीं है हमारे पास.
जिनके पास है वो ले लीजिए, तो मुझे दिखाई देगा. किसी के पास है?
यस टीचर मेरे पास है.
हाँ,
मेरे पास
यस यस, जिनके पास कांच का ग्लास है वो कांच का ग्लास यूज करो, तो बबल्स दिखाई देंगे वीडियो में. जिनके पास नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो वरीज. अगर प्लास्टिक का डिब्बा रहेगा, प्लास्टिक का ट्रांसपेरेंट डिब्बा, तो वो भी चल जाएगा, है ना.
यस.
प्लास्टिक का ट्रांसपेरेंट डिब्बा रहेगा तो भी चल जाएगा, उसमें से भी दिखाई देगा. हाफ वाटर लेके पेपर का स्ट्रॉ बना के यू ब्लो इट. वन एंड you will put it in the water and the second end you will blow with the second end, with the help of second end. Okay, and make a
Yes.
video. मुझे वीडियो चाहिए. ओके,
यस.
भेजेंगे सब लोग भेजेंगे.
Yes.
आज आपको वीडियो बनाना है. टुडे ऑनवर्ड, टुडे you will make a video and send it. Okay?
Okay. Yes, teacher.
I will send you exercise question answer in our WhatsApp group. Tomorrow our lecture is on 6 o'clock. Tomorrow हमारा लेक्चर है वो भी 6 बजे ही है. So all of you be ready. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, miss. Bye, miss.